In this video, I will show you how you can manage the dual SIM settings on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Connections. Under the Connection Settings, just tap on SIM Manager. Now over here, you will find all the dual SIM settings on your Samsung phone. First of all, you will find the toggle to enable or disable your SIM cards under the SIM card section. And from here, you can disable the toggle of a specific SIM card and you can use only one SIM card, or you can disable both of them at the same time. I'll turn both of them on. Now after that, as you can see, this is the eSIM section. From here, you can add, remove, or manage your eSIMs in this section. Now after that, under preferred SIMs, you can set a specific SIM card for a specific action. For example, you can set a specific SIM card for your calls. As you can see, you have the option for SIM 1 or SIM 2. Also, you have the option for Ask Always. If you select Ask Always, your phone will ask you always which SIM card you want to use for your calls. After that, you have the option for messages, and from here you can either select SIM 1 or SIM 2 for your messages, and the same goes with the mobile data. You can select a specific SIM card for your mobile data. You can either select SIM 2 or SIM 1. After that, you have the option for data switching and backup calling. And after you enable this toggle, your phone will automatically switch between the SIM cards, so you will always be connected to the internet in case the selected SIM card loses the connection with the internet or if it stops working for some reason. After that, you have the option for more SIM settings. Now over here, you will find the option for dual SIM always on, SIM card security, and locked eSIM settings. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.